do with anything you own or use. Because the longer you maintain it, the longer it will last. And the longer it will last, the less new stuff we need and the less we're throwing into the landfill. So that's a good point. And as we clean stuff, we keep it functioning more efficiently. We keep it cleaner, which helps our breathing or our drinking or our eating habits, all of the things that go inside of our bodies. And that helps us to stay healthier. So what we've really started talking about in the last few years, and part of the reason Christy and I decided to become ambassadors for Wellness Within the Walls, is because we felt that it was critical to connect our personal health with the health of our larger communities, our world, and where we live. And where we live might be our communities, but a lot of times the first place we live is in our homes. And taking care of them can be a big chore. Alcohol, Castile soap, and borax powder, and I don't have, well, I do have Castile soap. Borax powder, not so much. But lemons, vinegar, and baking soda alone will clean almost anything in your house. And that was what was fun about these recipes, is they give you all the different mixtures to clean different things, even from like metal polishes and glass polishes and everything. Okay, so we are 1 part water, we'll do the other one first. 2 cups water. So we're doubling it. So we'll need a cup of vinegar, and then we'll do a ½ cup of rubbing alcohol. I have phones, so we don't have to figure out how it works. Okay, we have lime, lemon, citrus fresh, and then we're gonna put in a few drops of essential oil. So one of your labels needs to read window cleaner, and one of your labels needs to read all-purpose cleaner. And now we do the magic mixing thing. I brought my mixing picture, what do you think?
That's great. Very handy.
Some of the recipes have a little bit of detergent in them, like a little liquid dish soap. I liked this one because it was super simple. The alcohol is what's gonna help clean the windows and get the streaks off. And the vinegar will also help cut the dirt. And then the rest is water. You ever think about how much water you pay for in a cleaner? Green for glass cleaner. This is the glass cleaner, so your green bottles.